Okay, once it's installed, so now I install the VirtualBox, and let's do again Vagrant up. Yeah. So now we start. This is starting the machine. Okay, now once is initiated, let's access it. So to be able to access it, we need to use the next command, is vagrant ssh. Okay, so now the machine will open, and we are able to use it then. If we do ls, we can see the folder here has been created. Yeah, remember the folder, this folder. Yeah, this is in the Windows, but this is in the Vagrant. Yeah, so this folder, it's already created. If we go inside, see the testing, it's empty. If we do ls la, it's nothing there. Yeah, but here we want to create this project one. Yeah, which will be this folder, and then once the installation is done, we will have a public folder where the Laravel installation will start from. Yeah, will serve to the browser. Okay, so let's create this project. Yeah, and to be able to create that, let's go to the website here in the Laravel, and let's go to the installation here. And if we go down, we need to use this command, but before we need to use composer global require Laravel installer. Let's copy this. Yeah, this is because we want to use composer Laravel installer from everywhere in our Homestead. Yeah, so let's clear that and just paste that line, composer global, and let's install this. And after we install this, we should be able to install a project, create a Laravel project in our folder, which will be named project 1. So we'll call this project installation, project creation, project 1. Yeah, so let's see, it's done. Yeah, now it's done, and let's do that. So use this command. If we go down, Laravel new, and the blog should be the name of our project. Yeah, so Laravel new. Let's go to git command, git bash. Yeah, so Laravel new and project 1. Yeah, so remember, this is our folder, yeah, in the virtual machine, which will point to this domain. Actually, this domain will point to this project in the virtual machine. Yeah, so the project files will be in both sides. This will be in the Windows, and the other one which is in the virtual machine. So these two will be synchronized. Let's go back now and press enter here. And now, if we go here, yeah, so this is the virtual, the Homestead machine. If we go to C, we have testing multiple project, which we will have all our projects. Yeah, if you open this, you can see it's already created. Yeah, but this is created from through the virtual machine, through the Homestead machine. Yeah, this command created this project. But let's wait until this is done, and then we need to do something extra, something more, to be able to view the project in the browser. And then we will see how to create multiple projects, more projects in the same time. Yeah, so it will be project 2, project 3, and so on. Okay, so now the application is ready. So if we go here, we have all the structure of this project, yeah, but inside of the Homestead machine, the virtual machine, we have inside of this project, we have the project one, yeah. We do cd project one, and lsla is the same, yeah. We have the same folders and structure of folders and files with this one, which, so those two folders, project one within Windows machine, with this project one with the inside of virtual machine, are synchronized always, which is this configuration here, yeah. Project, multiple project with this one will be will have the same, all we have in one will be the same in the other one, and every time we change something will be the same in the other one. Is not ready because we need to do another configuration. So opening this file, yeah, hosts, yeah, which is in C, Windows System 32, drivers etc and hosts, yeah. And to be able to edit this file, you need to open it as an administrator. Make sure you open this as an administrator, and then we need to copy the IP, this IP, yeah. So just copy this one here, and then paste it here, and just do a space and add the domain. Yeah, this is the map, the site domain. Yeah, so just copy this. This domain will point to this root in the Homestead machine, yeah, which will be synchronized. This folder, this root will be synchronized, as you can see, is the similar as here. So will be synchronized with this folder where we have our files. Okay, so let's add this domain after the IP. So just paste that and now save it, yeah. And then we need, if we want to access the project, just use this domain name. So just copy that and open the browser, and let's see if it's working. So as you can see, the project works perfectly. Now let's see how we can add another project. Yeah, let's say we want to create a second project in the same time we're using this one, and a third, and so on. So what we need to do is just go here. Let's clear that, and we just have to go back one step. cd. Yeah, we need to stay inside of testing multiple project folder and create another Laravel project. So let's do Laravel new project 2. Let's say project 2, yeah. So once we do this, this will generate another project with all the necessary folders and files, but inside the testing multiple projects folder, yeah. So let's leave this work. Okay, so now once it's done, we can, let's clear the screen and let's do ls. So list all it's inside. So we have project 1 and project 2, yeah. So if we go to C, where I have created this folder to have all my projects created in Laravel, if I go inside, you can see I have the second project here. So this folder is synchronized with this one. And now to be able to use the second project, we need to edit this folder, yeah. Let's edit this first time. Let's edit the YAML file, because we need to add the second project here. So let's copy that, yeah. So copy and just paste it here, yeah. But don't create another section for the sites. Leave it as it is. Just copy paste the second project, which will be, so let's give it a domain name, which is project 2. You can do whatever you want here. I just for the purpose of this example, I just create project 1 and project 2, but you can do whatever name you need, yeah. And then my folder is project 2, okay. And then I need to add this domain on the host, yeah, host file. So let's add this one here with the IP in front. So let's do that, yeah. So project 1, project 2, I will save this, and then I will go and let's open this another browser, another tab in the browser, and let's do project 2. Yeah, as you can see, this is the second project. Let me just try to edit this to see that this is working. So let's open this. Open with code. Let's do this, and let me just go to resources, views, and welcome, and I will do this. This is the project 1, I think. Yeah, Laravel, this is project 1. Yeah, okay, so let's refresh that. Yeah, project 1, and let's edit this one also. Let's do that and see that this is working. Yeah, resources, view, welcome. This is the file which is the file used for the home page when the first time the project is created, for Laravel. So let's edit this one. Just go and type here project 2. Okay, so let's refresh the project 2, and this is not working. It's not working because we forgot a very important step. So don't forget about these steps, otherwise this will not work. We need to reload the vagrant machine by using also the provision flag. So let's do vagrant reload, but we need to do provision. Yeah, so this will update all the changes we have done in this folder. Yeah, so because we have added another new project here, we need to reload the machine, but using the provision, yeah, flag. So this is not working because we need to exit the machine by typing exit, and then vagrant reload, and we should do provision. And now this will be reloaded, and we'll actually update our configuration file, yeah, because we have added a new project and we need to update this. So let's reload the machine. What this will do is vagrant reload. It will stop the machine and power up the machine again. So it's equivalent to a vagrant halt, which stops the machine, and after that vagrant up. So if we don't do vagrant reload, we can do vagrant halt and then vagrant up, but we need to add the flag provision, which will update the configuration. Yeah, okay, so once it's done, I hope this is running. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is project 1, and let's see, this is project 2. Yeah, let's see, let's make sure this is working. Project testing 1. So this is project testing 1, which is the project 1. Yeah, which, let's see, it's this one, project 1, and if we go to our folder also, this is this one, project 1. Yeah, so this is project 1. Let's refresh that, testing 1, and let's refresh the second one. Let's add something here just to make sure this is working. Yeah, and save it. And if we go here to the project 2, as you can see, we have 2 separate projects working simultaneously. Yeah, well, this is how you can add multiple projects, yeah, in the same vagrant. So you just need to create another folder inside of the virtual machine, which is here. Let's do vagrant SSH, access the machine. So once I am inside, the only thing I need to do is create another folder. Let's see, ls, yeah, cd testing project. So inside of here, let me clear and see. So I have 2 projects, but I can create whatever projects, whatever number of projects I want here. But I have to make sure I add the project here also, yeah, the host. Actually, first of all, I need to add another project here, another map 2, yeah, with the folder, specific folder project 3, for example, yeah, and then the domain, I need to add it here also in the host file. And then another step which is very important is use the vagrant reload. Let me just exit here and I'll show you again the command because it's very important. And I need to use this command, vagrant reload provision. Provision is very important. This will actually update our configuration file, which is this one. Yeah, I hope this makes sense. It's not very difficult to create multiple projects. I had also difficulty to use it at the beginning because I was a bit confusing with those roots, but I think after this video should be easier for you to create multiple projects in the same Homestead machine. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you next time.